I just wanted to give another update. I added a few different features and also uploaded the prices so that only B2B customers see it. Anyway, let me first show you. So this is what it's going to be like when someone is a guest and they don't have an account on the site. They can add products, but the subtotal just ends up saying quote. And then when they check out, they just click this request custom quote, and basically it'll just say a message with their email address, phone number, any other fields you need, and then you can choose to respond or not to the guest. So let's check it out. So check out. So there you go. I'll fix this button here, but they just click the name, email address, and message. But now, say you wanted to create a new user. So what we'll be doing when we create a new user, actually.